Hi, today I'm going to show you how to take screenshots in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, first we need to do is use shortcut from our keyboard Windows Shift S. Then these options will be displayed here. So if you would like to take full screen screenshot, you need to click on this one option, full screen snip. I click here and then screenshot will be taken. So we need to paste it somewhere. For example, I will open Paint to paste it. So I click on left down corner on icon with a start. Then I type Paint from my keyboard and I open this one app. Now I press Ctrl V from my keyboard and how you see screenshot has been successfully added to this app. Of course you can take screenshot only part of the screen if you want. If you want to do it, you need to press Windows Shift S again and then you need to select area that you want to screenshot. For example, I will select this one area. And then I press Ctrl V again, and how you see this screenshot has been successfully taken. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.